My name is Cade Plessinger, and this is my midterm project for ME470. What we have here is an automated dog door that senses a pet, would unlock the door, allow the pet to exit, then have a sensor on the back for re-entry that only activates once the front has been activated. So once the dog comes back in, nothing can enter from the back, which would prevent stray animals, burglars, so on and so forth from entering. So as it would work, the pet would come up, it would be sensed. We've got an LCD screen here that tells you that the door is unlocked and that your pet is now outside, but the door is now locked. Then there's a sensor on the back, so nothing happens when we wave in the front. But in the back, then the LCD activates again, the door is unlocked, and then it will tell you that your pet is now inside. And then it would restart. And there's also a counter on there that tells you how long it's been since your pet has last used the door. So once the door is not being actively sensed at that moment, you can use these keypads over here as a user input. So if you press A, what happens is the door is now in a manual unlock mode. So it's not locked whatsoever. And this would allow it so the pet door could be unlocked just throughout the whole day, so you don't have to worry about sensors and so forth, just if you aren't worried about anything. Then you press B, and that will then lock the door. And with each of these, there is an LCD message just telling you that you're in that mode. Then you can press the other button to get out. Next, you can press the D, and if you're getting sick of this LCD screen, all you have to do is press it and it gives you a message saying that it's off, but the system is still active. So I'll go ahead and pause the video just so you don't have to run through the cycle again. Okay, so that finished running through its cycle, so it's back on the scanning mode, but the LCD is still off. So you then press just C, and that will turn your LCD back on. And as you can see that it says the system is still active. Next we have the pound button. Which if you press that, it'll give you a beep, say goodbye, and tell you that the system is now turning off. Sensors no longer work, nothing happens, so this would be in a locked state. Door's not moving. You press the star button, and it will turn back on, give you a little hello message, and thank you for using the product, while it sets up and gets ready. Then it goes back to the original sensing, and it's ready to operate again. Just to give you a little better look, what's happening here is there's a actuator down here that contains a key that goes up and down. Next, we'll turn this around and give you a look at the internals of it. We have this thing turned around with the back off of it just to show you how the internals would work. Obviously, there would normally be a wall on the back. So what we have, we'll start at the top. So we have our central Arduino Uno with that goes into the keypad, the LCD. We have a little buzzer there for the noises that you hear. We've got two sensors. So the front one back over here, that is the inside sensor, and the rear sensor that's only activated once the front sensor has gone. Over here we have a small breadboard containing all the wirings, as well as the I2C backpack for the LCD screen. And then going through here, through a hole and down, is where our servo is contained. Down there you can see it in there with the lock on it. So right now the door is just in the unlock mode, so it's not doing anything. And then right here, so you can see the slit where the servo would come up, and the magnet that's over here is attached to the door there, using a magnet to help it align itself so that it always hits in the right spot. So when this functions, it runs through everything and allows your pet to go in and out without allowing other pets and stray animals to get in or out. So this is the PetSense dog door. Thank you.